Welcome to Big Progress Channel.
Have you ever studied English for years and still feel nervous when you speak?
Oh no, Hannah, why do you start like that? That hurts.
Because today I promise something warm and simple. Stay with us, and in this episode, you will finally understand one tiny word that changes your English every day.
One word only?
Yes, just 3 letters.
3 letters? That sounds friendly already.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Big Progress Channel, the place where you grow your English a little every day in a cozy and comfortable way. I'm Hannah, your teacher.
And I'm Lamb, the student who makes many mistakes but tries again tomorrow.
And that is why we love him.
Thank you, I think.
Today we will talk, laugh, and practice together. Slowly, no stress.
I like no stress. My brain runs away when it sees grammar.
Then call your brain back because today is easy.
Okay, brain, come back.
Good. Now, Lamb, quick question. Did you get my message this morning?
Yes, I got it. I saw it when I woke up.
Aha! Everyone, did you hear that?
Hear what? Did I say something wrong again?
No, you said something perfect.
Really? Put this day on the calendar.
You used the magic word,
Magic word?
get.
Oh, that little guy again.
Yes, small word, big power.
I hear it everywhere. Get home, get tired, get coffee, get crazy.
Exactly. Native speakers love it
Why?
because it is short, flexible, and very natural in daily life.
So if I use get, I sound more real?
Yes, less textbook, more human.
I want that. I want human English.
Perfect. Today we help you get it.
Haha, I see what you did there.
And we will go step by step, nice and easy.
Good, because when teachers say easy, sometimes it is not easy.
I promise, cozy easy.
I'm ready.
First, let's understand the heart of this word. At the most basic level, get often has 3 big meanings.
3? I can try 3.
Receive,
Okay.
become,
Hmm,
and arrive.
that's already more than I expected.
Don't worry, we use simple examples.
Please.
Meaning number 1, receive, when something comes to you.
Like a package?
Exactly, or a message.
Like your message this morning.
Yes, did you get my message?
I got it.
Perfect, you sound natural already.
Wow, I'm improving in minute 5.
You can say, I get emails, I get gifts, I get good news.
I like good news. I want to get it every day.
Me too.
Can I say I receive many emails?
You can, but it sounds formal, like business.
Ah, suit and tie English.
Yes, get is t-shirt English.
I love t-shirt English.
Now, meaning number 2, become, a change.
Change scares me.
This one is friendly, for feelings and states.
Example, please.
I get tired after work.
Oh yes, every day I get super tired.
You become tired.
So get plus feeling.
Exactly.
I get hungry at 10 p.m.
Very real.
I get sleepy in class.
Hey,
Not in your class, mostly.
thank you, I guess.
I get happy when I eat.
Best motivation.
I get angry when my phone dies.
See, you already use get perfectly.
Wait, am I good at English?
You are getting better.
Oh, nice teacher trick.
Meaning number 3, arrive.
Movement.
Yes. For example, what time do you get home?
I get home around 6.
Perfect.
Nobody says I arrive home, right?
Too stiff for daily talk.
Like a robot.
Yes, get is warm and normal.
I want warm English.
Then use get.
Hannah, can I ask something?
Yes?
One word, many meanings. How do people understand?
Context.
Big word.
Simple idea. Situation helps you.
If we talk about work, get home means arrive.
Right.
If we talk about feelings, get tired means become.
Yes.
If we talk about messages, get means receive.
You see, your brain is doing great.
My brain came back.
Now let's try mini real-life moments.
Okay, role play time?
Yes, I love it. Did you get the email?
Yes, I got it.
How do you feel after work?
I get tired.
What time do you get home?
I get home at 6.
Wonderful.
This feels possible.
Because it is.
But Hannah, sometimes people say, I get it.
Ah, beautiful. Another common meaning.
What is it?
Understand.
So when my friend explains a joke and finally I understand, I say, I get it.
Exactly.
That is cool. Much cooler than I understand.
Yes, softer, friendlier.
If I still don't understand,
You can say, I don't get it.
I use that many times in math class.
Very useful survival English.
Wow, get is everywhere.
Yes, morning to night.
I get up, I get coffee, I get tired, I get home.
And finally, you get sleep.
Perfect life.
Do you feel scared of get now?
Less scared, maybe small scared.
That's progress.
I feel like I'm starting to get it.
That makes me very happy.
But wait, I want more practice.
Good learner.
Can we try longer speaking?
Yes, but maybe we should go a little deeper.
Deeper?
There are many small phrases people use every day.
I knew it. There's always more.
Don't worry, still simple.
Okay.
We will take some common situations and you try to talk.
If I fail,
I help you.
if I panic,
Breathe.
if I cry,
I give you coffee.
deal.
Hannah, imagine morning, alarm rings. What do you say?
I get up.
Good. Then you prepare clothes.
I get ready.
Excellent.
Hey, that feels nice.
Because this is real life.
After work, I go back home.
Try with get.
I get back home.
Perfect.
Hannah, this is actually fun.
English should feel like this.
I have a question.
Yes?
Yesterday, I say get or got.
Ah, important.
I knew something dangerous was coming.
Tiny danger. Past got.
I got your message.
Yes.
I got tired.
Correct.
I got home late.
Beautiful.
Why do I feel proud?
Because you should.
So, present get, past got.
Exactly.
Future?
Will get.
My brain is alive.
Okay, Lamb. I think you're ready for something bigger.
Bigger than my fear?
A natural conversation.
With many gets?
Yes.
I'm excited and a little afraid.
That's normal when we grow.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's imagine tomorrow morning. You wake up late, you rush, many things happen.
That sounds like my real life.
Perfect. So tell me, when you wake up late, what is the first thing you say?
I get,
Yes?
I get,
Take your time.
I get up and then
You get up and then?
I get up and then I get nervous because I look at the clock.
Very real. What time is it?
It's already late, so I get stressed.
Nice. Get stressed. I like that.
Then I run to the bathroom and I try to get ready very fast.
Good. Do you get ready in time?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I cannot find my socks, I get angry.
Poor socks.
They always hide.
Socks are very sneaky.
And while I'm looking for them, I get more and more stressed.
That happens to many people.
Finally, I find them and I get a little happy again.
Emotional roller coaster in 5 minutes.
Morning movie.
After you get ready, what happens next?
I leave home and I try to get to work quickly.
Good. Get to work.
but traffic is bad, so I get worried.
Understandable.
Then my boss sends me a message.
Oh, drama.
I get the message and my heart goes boom, boom.
What does the message say?
Where are you?
Classic.
I get even more nervous.
And when you finally arrive?
I get to the office and I say sorry.
Very polite.
After that, I sit down, drink water, and slowly I get calm.
Beautiful sentence.
Thank you. I feel like a movie star of grammar.
You see, Lamb, you just told a long story using get many times.
Really? I didn't count.
That's the secret. Native speakers don't count. They just speak.
So I should relax more?
Yes. Trust simple words.
Small words.
Big progress.
I like that.
Now, let's check something important. Did you notice you used present and past?
Mostly present.
Right. Let's change a little. Tell the story again, but yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay.
I believe in you.
Yesterday, I got up late.
Good.
I got stressed.
Yes.
I got ready very fast.
Perfect.
I got angry at my socks.
They deserved it.
I got to work late.
Nice.
And later, I got calm.
Excellent. Past equals got. You nailed it.
I feel powerful.
How do you feel about get now?
Before this lesson, I was confused.
And now?
I get it.
That makes me so happy.
It's really everywhere.
Yes. Morning, afternoon, night.
Feelings, places, messages, understanding.
Exactly. Let's do a super quick review for everyone listening.
Review time.
If something comes to you,
Get equals receive.
if your feeling changes,
Get equals become.
if you reach a place,
Get equals arrive.
if you understand,
I get it.
wonderful.
I have to say, this feels different from studying in school.
How?
More live. I can imagine real situations,
That is the goal. English for real life.
not robot English.
Never robot English. Before we finish, let's invite everyone to practice with us.
Yes, your turn.
Think about your morning. What do you get?
Maybe you get coffee.
Maybe you get messages.
Maybe you get sleepy.
Or you get ready for work or school.
Tell us in the comments.
Use a simple sentence.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you get better.
See? Another get.
Everywhere.
Hannah, I feel more confident now.
I can hear it in your voice.
I want to practice this today.
Great idea. Use it with friends, at work, at home.
I will.
The more you use it, the faster you grow.
Step by step.
Exactly. If today's lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
We prepare many warm and simple lessons for you.
And we read your comments.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
Tell us what word you want next.
Maybe another small word,
With big power.
just like today.
Remember our slogan.
Small words.
Big progress.
Thanks for learning with us.
Keep practicing every day.
And soon you will speak more naturally.
We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.